that is wholesale price index. In the newspaper also you have seen written WPI or CPI. You must be familiar with these terms. WPI is wholesale price index, right? In the newspaper normally it is given that whether the prices are increasing or decreasing to show the trend of prices with the help of wholesale price index and consumer price index, right? Now what is wholesale price index, WPI? Wholesale price is price in bulk. That means price of commodities in bulk. When we are selling in bulk in a large amount, then prices of commodities are different. Normally in order to sell more and more in bulk, the seller or the producer, they sell the commodity at a little lower price so that their profit is also increased, because they are selling in bulk, maybe at a lower price, but their quantity what they are selling is more, they will be earning more profit and they will have more buyers, because they will attract more buyers by selling in less price. So in this way wholesale price is price in bulk. WPI, that is wholesale price index. WPI is prepared by the office of the economic advisor. In India it is prepared by Office of the Economic Advisor, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, right? In India this is prepared by this WPI is prepared by Office of the Economic Advisor, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. So whatever WPI you see in the newspaper, that is given by this advisory or by this ministry, right? Rate of change in WPI is treated as the rate of inflation in the country. If WPI is changing, so rate of change in WPI, that indicates the rate of inflation in the country. Inflation means price rise. So rate of change in WPI, that is rate of inflation in the country, and that is a good indicator for businessmen, for producers, for government, for politicians as well as for consumers. Now three aspects of WPI, right? What are three aspects of wholesale price index? First is base year. In India 435 items were included in WPI in base year 1993-94. When index number was prepared by taking base year 93-94, then 435 items were included by Ministry of Commerce and Industry, right? But now the base year has changed from 1993-94 to 2011 and 12, and the number of items have also changed from 435 to 676 in this base year, right? So three aspects of wholesale price index. First is base year. 676 items are included in the base year of 2011 and 12. These are the selected goods and services. 676 items now. Second aspect, goods included in WPI, these are of three categories, right? In WPI we are including 676 items. These items are divided into three categories. What are these? First, primary articles. Second, fuel, power, light, lubricants, etc. And third, manufactured products. These are three categories of 676 items given by Ministry of Commerce and Industry, right? So all the goods what we have selected, these are divided into three categories, and all these goods are assigned different weights. these weights are given by the ministry only, right, not by individual people. These weights are given like this: for primary articles 20.12, fuel, power, etc., second category 14.91, manufactured products 64.97. These are the weights given by the ministry according to the importance and according to the demand in the economy, and total is 100, right. Now we will see what is the formula for WPI. When we are calculating index number, wholesale price index, then this formula is to be used: WPI of the given year upon WPI of the previous year. Previous year means base year. WPI of the previous year, or if we are making WPI of this year in comparison to the last year, then we will take the WPI of the previous year and WPI of the given year into 100. This will give you the change, rate of change, because you are comparing it from the previous year, right. In percentage it will show the change, and then you can find out whether the prices are increasing or decreasing. But these are only wholesale prices, keep this in mind, okay. So WPI is only for wholesale prices. Now what are the uses of WPI? It is a basis for calculating rate of inflation. It's a very good basis to indicate the rate of inflation in the economy. Whatever is the rate of change in WPI, accordingly there will be rate of change in inflation. So it is a very good indicator or basis for calculating rate of inflation. Second, basis for calculating real national income, right. With the help of WPI, we can calculate the national income of the economy, real national income. That means whatever is the production out of that, what is the real national income of the economy. National income, what is that? National income means income of the nation. And what is the income of the nation? That means money value of the total goods and services produced in the economy in a particular year. That gives you the national income. So on the basis of index number, rather on the basis of wholesale price index, we can calculate real national income of the economy. It indicates the total production of goods and services, and accordingly money value of goods and services on the basis of prices. Clear? Then third, indicator of general business condition in the country, because wholesale price index is based on wholesale prices. So it indicates the general business condition in the country. That means whether business is on the increasing trend or on the decreasing trend. And obviously you know that if the country is having more business, this indicates that the economic growth is taking place and the country is moving towards development. If less of business activity is carried on, then that means there is a back gear and less of economic progress is taking place. So wholesale price index gives you the general economic condition of the country, or you can say general business condition of the country. Then useful for planning. So as it indicates inflation rate, as it indicates the business activity, and it also indicates the real national income. So accordingly business planning or economic planning can be done with the help of wholesale price index. So therefore we can say that wholesale price index are very useful, especially for the government and for the people who are making the planning.